In today's video, I'll show you how to get the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. First, open the main Settings app, and then choose General from the list. Within here, choose Software Update, which should be near the top. It should now check for any updates available for your device, and they will show up on this page for you to download and install. Tap on the button for an update here to begin the installation and allow it to complete. Your phone will need to restart to complete the update. You can enable automatic updates with the option at the top of this page. If you wanted to get beta updates, then click the card to watch a video of mine showing you how to sign up for and install them, but remember that there's risks if you do choose to get them, especially if it's on your main device. Also, when talking about regular updates, remember that later iOS versions will stop being supported on older iPhone models, so this could be a reason you don't see the very latest update. That's how to get the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.